Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to uh, install VS Code in your computer because we are going to need a code editor to use in our future web development. So first of all, search for just VS Code. Yeah, just type like VS Code download. Right, when you do so, uh, click on this link, and depends on your computer. In my case it is Windows, and it is Windows 11, so I'm just going to click this one. Once you click here, you're gonna get the installation file, and then click. Once it's done, you just need to complete the process. Accept the agreement. Here you tick for create a desktop icon, and you tick this one so you can easily open the VS Code from the code. I'll show you that later on actually. And add open with code action to Windows Explorer. Yeah, so yeah, pretty much tick everything and just uh, continue to install. So it will take some time. Once it's done, so it's been completed, so we can just leave this as ticked and then click finish. So it will launch the VS Code like this, and it will also create a desktop icon which you can later on open via the icon. uh, just close these all. Now here I'm not going to go through much in detail about VS Code, which you can actually search. There are many other videos that explains in depth of VS Code, but I'm going to add an extension for this one, which is going to helpful now. Uh, this one HTML boilerplate. Actually, now because I had VS Code already installed, and then I had this one. So if you now if yours is a new installation, then you should see here as installed. Just click that button. That's it. Okay. So that's how you install the VS Code. Now I'm just going to give you show you how to open the VS Code without going through this the desktop icon. Now for example, if I want to open in a particular location, I just need to go and say now I'm going to create a new folder here, say VS Code, just for example. Okay, and then we go to that. Where is it? Here. We just go into that folder and right click, and we open the terminal from there. Once you open it, so now we are inside this folder. As you can see, just type code space and then period. When you type that, the VS Code automatically opens within that folder. So whatever we type, uh, whichever files we included, we can then actually we can add new folders in here. Say new folder, whatever, and then you can add new files, index php. Okay, so that's how you normally install your VS Code. So from next video we are going to create a basic web page from the scratch. um, we are going to use the VS Code for that, and also we are going to launch that in our local server. So for that you should have already installed SAMP. If you don't have SAMP installed yet, if you haven't got SAMP installed yet, I would recommend to watch my video which I have already how to install SAMP. It's very simple. You just need to go to Google and search for SAMP and then download it. Okay, so from next video we are going to start the web development in VS Code. I'll see you soon with my next video. Thank you.